Hey guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. So in today's episode of What Did She Buy, I went to Dollar Tree and I picked up a few things. So starting right here in the front, I picked up this silicone sink strainer because I don't know about you guys, but somehow my measuring spoons, like the 1 tablespoon, the teaspoon, somehow they always end up in the garbage disposal, and that needs to stop. So I bought this for that. I did pick up some of these little brush buddies to put over our toothbrushes, even though usually we don't really keep our stuff like out on the sink. It's kind of in the cabinet. I just figure for our regular toothbrushes that I get from couponing and stuff like that, that they would fit in there pretty nicely. I also picked up this pack of cotton rounds, and they have another one in there that's more of the the Dollar Tree brand. But this one, the Love You ones, they looks way better. Like, look at those. And like, look there. Like, I have some from I think Big Lots or Walmart, and I've been using them, but I think these are gonna work way better. And I use mine for putting my witch hazel on my face. And I'm sorry if you hear rattling in the back. My 1-year-old cat is playing in a bag that is on the floor. So sorry. Then I just picked up a pack of reusable gloves, the heavy duty. I don't personally like using gloves because my hands just they sweat inside of them, but I figured as a backup I will go ahead and get this just in case I needed to clean something that I was just like, yeah, I'm not touching that. I also picked up this box of matches, which I am not a matches girl. I am a use a long lighter for a candle kind of girl. So hopefully I will never even have to use these. But I figured just as a precaution, I will go ahead and pick these up just in case the solution in the lighters, ran out. And it's 300, so I figure why not. And it does say, I think it said, oh yeah, it says that they're the, why is this not focusing? Oh my gosh, large kitchen matches. There we go. I don't know what was going on. Maybe it's trying to focus on the bag. And then over here, I picked up some coconut milk. I use this when I make like my curry, fish, and rice and stuff like that. So I don't use it a whole lot. So that's why I only picked up 6. And as you see, they're already nice and cozy in this container that I bought from Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh. So yeah, there we go. So I picked this little container up here. It's actually a fridge soda can, but it fits my 6 coconut milks just fine. And in case you wanted the size, there you go, 13.5. So yeah. And then over here, I picked up this box of maple Cheerio oats. My older son said he wanted these. I texted him from the store. He said he would try it. And my little son was like, yeah, I'm good. Then I picked up 4 chicken broths. So the latest date they have right now in my stores is November 25th. 2021. So I made sure to get those, and be careful because some of them were like October 8th or whatever, which is literally like in a few days. So I don't know what that was about. That's why you definitely have to make sure you check your stuff, because a lot of times they'll put the other ones in the back, so, or they'll be all mixed up. Then I picked up 2 of these, the strawberry banana nectar. These are 33.8 ounces. And I got these because I know my little son likes these kind of things. Sometimes he adds them to his smoothies or he just likes to drink them. And then they actually expire on his 18th birthday. So yeah. Then I picked up these milk. They expire the 27th of August. And I just picked up a couple more, just 5 for now, just because it's hard to carry stuff out of Dollar Tree when they have like the bars on the cart, and then the stores that don't have the bars on the cart don't have the items that I need. So I actually went to 2 different Dollar Trees, and then I just put the chicken broth I had back, and then I just went to another store so that I could go ahead and get everything from one place. Then I had to make my own box because, as you see, this says moon pie, and so I picked up 24 of the Premier Proteins in the apple cinnamon, and this is the Premier Protein with oats. So yeah, that's what I got for that. And then I've been buying these for my older son, the Diet Old Orchard. So this is the cranberry grape. And if you're looking for these that aren't diet, they do sell them at Dollar General for $2. So there you go. And then I just picked these up because I didn't even know they sold these. And I picked up these Hawaiian rolls. You get 6 in a pack. And then I picked up these brown and serve rolls. Yeah, just because, I figured we could go ahead and throw them into a meal this week. So yeah, that is most of what I got. And then, here's the last thing I got, but I'm going to leave it in the bag so they don't see it. This is kind of like a tradition for us, like every year. I always get them a new one to go on, you know. They here, so I can't really say. I'm trying to show y'all. So yeah, so this is what it is. I don't know why everything is so blurry. I must have switched my settings by accident. But yeah, so there we go. So it's motion activated or whatever. So all it does is the little hook, it tucks down, and so you just lift it up so you can go ahead and put it on. And then one penguin, one snowman. So yeah, that is what I got at Dollar Tree today. Make sure you stay tuned because I also went to Dollar General. So stay tuned for that. And yes, I know that was blurry and that was on purpose. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.